Stay cool. Understanding, stay in the shade. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a common English phrase that's not only useful but also paints a vivid picture of how language can reflect everyday advice and health tips. We're talking about stay in the shade. Let's explore what it means, how to use it in conversation, and the contexts where it's most appropriate. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video is for you. Stay in the shade refers to the simple action of positioning oneself out of direct sunlight and in a cooler, shadowed area. The shade can be provided by various objects, like trees, buildings, or umbrellas. This phrase is often used as advice to avoid the harmful effects of the sun's rays, especially in hot weather, to prevent sunburn or heat stroke. Interestingly, stay in the shade can also have a figurative meaning. In a broader sense, it might suggest staying away from the spotlight or attention, preferring to keep things low-key or avoiding controversy. However, this use is less common and depends much on the context of the conversation. You'll find this phrase particularly handy in health and safety advice, when discussing ways to stay cool and protected in hot weather. Travel tips, offering advice for comfortable sightseeing, especially in warm climates. Casual conversations, when talking about personal preferences for outdoor activities during sunny days. Here's how you might use it in a sentence. If you're going to the beach, don't forget to stay in the shade during the hottest part of the day. I prefer staying in the shade at outdoor events. It's much cooler. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of the phrase, stay in the shade. It's a handy piece of advice for staying cool and safe, and a vivid example of how English can capture practical life tips in just a few words. Stay tuned for more insights into English language expressions, and remember, learning a new language is a journey best enjoyed step by step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay in the shade to keep cool.